The Tillamook rainforest, located in the Coast Range of northwestern Oregon, is one of the wettest areas in the United States, with parts getting more than 100 inches of rain. Today, Washoe and I were heading out into the largest patch of old-growth rainforest in Oregon, where a carpet of moss, fern, and thistles swallow up everything that doesn't have legs. Because of the thorns and thistles that can tear right through your clothes, Washoe and I wear special clothing made of heavy canvas material produced by Duluth Trading Company. There's very little information on groups of species living in the Tillamook forest, particularly many of the invertebrates and plants and fungi. So Washoe and I often volunteer to document what we find and report it to the Oregon Department of Forestry. So today, since the rain took a day off, we thought we'd go out and see what we could find. If you think people are hard to find in this forest, you ought to try a bear or a cougar. And if you want to be able to get yourself back out of this rainforest, you better shake your compass once in a while, because everything out here looks pretty much the same.